Electrical construction plans are detailed blueprints that outline the layout, components, and wiring systems of an electrical installation. They are essential for electricians and contractors to ensure safe, efficient, and code-compliant construction. Site development plans shown here are comprehensive blueprints that outline the proposed land use, infrastructure, and improvements for a specific site. They serve as a guide for architects, engineers, and planners during the development process, ensuring that the project aligns with zoning regulations and environmental consideration. Key floor plans shown here are detailed diagrams that show the layout of a building or space, including rooms, walls, doors, windows, and furniture placement. They provide a visual representation of the structure's design and are essential for architects, builders, and homeowners to understand the spatial arrangement and functionality of a space. Architectural floor plans are detailed diagrams that show the layout of a building or space, including rooms, walls, doors, windows, and furniture placement. These plans are essential for architects, builders, and homeowners to understand the spatial arrangement and functionality of a space. They are typically created using specialized software and often include symbols and conventions to represent various architectural elements. Electrical floor plans are specific types of diagrams that show the placement of electrical outlets, switches, fixtures, and wiring systems within a building. These plans are essential for electricians to understand the electrical requirements of each room, ensure proper wiring and grounding, and comply with electrical codes. They are typically created using specialized software and often include symbols and conventions to represent various electrical components. Electrical wiring diagrams shown here are detailed drawings that show the interconnection of electrical components within a building. They are essential for electricians during the construction of houses, as they provide a visual representation of the wiring layout, circuit paths, and connections between various electrical devices. These diagrams help ensure proper installation, safety, and compliance with electrical codes. Electrical service entrance load calculations, sample of which is shown here, are essential for determining the appropriate size of the main electrical service panel and the necessary capacity of the incoming power supply to a building. This calculation involves estimating the total power demand of all electrical appliances, lighting fixtures, and equipment within the structure. By accurately calculating the load, you can ensure that the electrical system is adequately sized to handle the anticipated power requirements without overloading or causing safety hazards. An electrical panel schedule, sample of which is shown here, is a detailed document that lists the various circuits, breakers, and devices within an electrical panel. It provides essential information for electricians and homeowners, including the circuit number, breaker size, load capacity, and the specific appliances or fixtures served by each circuit. This schedule is crucial for troubleshooting electrical problems, understanding the power distribution within the building, and ensuring that the electrical system is operating safely and efficiently. An electrical appliance load schedule, sample of which is shown here, is a list of all the electrical appliances and devices within a building, along with their power ratings, in watts or amps. This schedule is helpful for estimating the total electrical load on the system, identifying potential overloading issues, and determining the appropriate size of the main electrical service panel. By understanding the power consumption of each appliance, you can make informed decisions about energy efficiency and ensure that the electrical system is adequately equipped to handle the demand. Electrical symbols shown here are standardized graphical representations used in electrical construction plans and layouts to depict various electrical components and connections. These symbols are essential for electricians, engineers, and architects to understand and communicate the design and layout of electrical systems. Common electrical symbols include those for switches, outlets, fixtures, wires, grounding, and other electrical elements. By using these symbols, technical professionals can create clear, concise, and easily understandable electrical drawings.